What's up guys, I'm here with Timmy. Got his 56 Chevy truck. It's very special because it's got a 57 Cadillac front grille made on this truck. Which is, to me, it's pretty damn cool, but Timmy just picked this thing up. We're just helping him out. Just doing a few small things to it, you know, just little minor upgrades. But the main thing we got here is we're actually going to be upgrading to the new Accuair E-Pressure. This is their new pressure-based system. So instead of level sensors, it's using pressure sensors instead. Got the new computer, new touchpad, so our new system, we're going to be going through the motions, kind of be showing you some stuff. So we're going to be upgrading a few things, new airbags. He's going to be putting a new tank in there. He's got some compressors in the back. We're going to relocate. We're going to work on his notch a little bit. Woo! All right, so you're probably wondering what we got going on here. So when they built this notch, they made it a little bit too high. And Timmy wants to have a nice low bed floor. So we're actually kind of redoing the notch over here. Got a new piece of 2x3 that's gonna pop right in just like that to give us a nice low profile notch. Basically, we wanted to kind of redo this whole back area. Fresh new mounting points for all our new Accuair stuff, so. All right, we got our C-notch all wrapped up. Found a nice little spot for the computer. I'm gonna stick it right over here. Actually can provide you with a nice little template, so I'm gonna use that to find our hole, get that mounted up. All right, we got our ECU mounted, and we got our VU4 valve block we're gonna install. We're gonna make a bracket. We're gonna sit it right around this pocket area over here. We're temporarily plugging our pressure sensors because we're running out of daylight. The daylight's gone and it's past Timmy's bedtime. So we're gonna make our brackets and we're gonna tie this up. Then we're gonna put some 90 degrees to clean all this up. But we're just gonna do a little temporary thing for now.